Hello, my name is Karis, and today I am here to show you 2 quick and easy ways on how to create the perfect bun. And all I used was a ponytail. I actually didn't even end up having to use any bobby pins. So if you'd like to know how I did that, make sure you watch all the way to the end. Now, before I start, I do want to let you know, naturally I have very curly hair, and last week I decided to straighten it, and this week, well, I'm just trying to milk it because I was not in the mood for another wash day. And for my friends who have naturally curly hair, you understand the pain of wash days. So all that being said, my hair does tend to stay put in pretty much whatever position I put it, and I only have to actually wrap my ponytail around once just because I do have a lot of hair. But for my friends who have naturally very straight hair, make sure you stay tuned all the way till the end, because in the second part of this video I show you tips and tricks on how you can achieve the same bun and make it more secure.
Okay, so for the very first method, I'm going to grab all my hair and then I'm going to use this small ponytail holder and wrap it around my hair once. And like I said, I only have to wrap this ponytail around my hair once just because I do have a lot of hair, and also my hair does not have a lot of slip, so it tends to just kind of stay in any position I put it in. For this step, instead of using a bobby pin to pin down the flyaways and the hairs that didn't make into the bun, I just take those pieces and I tuck it into the ponytail holder. And to finish off the look, I just take the front part of my hair and just pull it towards the front to give it a little bit more volume. And then after that, I'm pretty much done.
Before I show you the second method, I wanted to just let you know, one of my favorite things about wearing a bun is styling it with different kinds of headbands. And if that's something you want me to do a tutorial on, make sure you comment down below and let me know.
Okay, this next method is for my friends who have very straight hair. So I'm going to use 2 small ponytail holders, and for the first step, I'm going to take half of my hair up and I'm going to put that half in a small bun. And then I'm going to grab the rest of my hair and wrap it around the small bun I have created, and I'm going to then take my ponytail holder and bring it around all of my hair. Now all I do is just kind of pull and tuck some pieces of hair until I like the way the bun looks. And like I did in the very first method, I'm going to bring some of my hair from the front towards my forehead just to give it a little bit more volume. And I'm also going to do the same thing for my hair towards the back. I just kind of pull it away from the bun, and this just gives my bun a little bit more of a voluminous look.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I would love to know which one of these methods were your favorite. Did you try either one of them? Did they work or not? I would love to know, so make sure you leave a comment down below. And if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!